What's the meaning of conveyor? Conveyor. Conveyor.
Conveyor. Conveyor. A conveyor, sometimes spelled conveyor, refers to a mechanism used to move material or goods from one place to another. It typically consists of a belt or series of rollers that rotate to transport items along a specific path. Conveyors are commonly used in manufacturing and logistics to streamline the movement of products between different stages of the production or distribution process. They are often automated and can be customized to fit specific needs. Overall, conveyors play an important role in modern industry by improving efficiency and reducing labor costs.